Welcome! We are thrilled to have you on board for our course on storytelling fundamentals. Today, we're focusing on an essential ingredient, the point of view. This is the perspective from which your story unfolds, the eyes through which your audience experiences the narrative. We'll be exploring the most common types, including first-person, third-person omniscient, and third-person limited. By the end of this session, you'll have a better understanding of the point of view and how it impacts storytelling. The point of view, in essence, is the perspective from which a story is told. It's akin to a pair of glasses we offer to our readers, shaping the way they perceive characters, events, and the overall world of our narrative. Now, the three most common types of this literary tool are first-person, third-person omniscient, and third-person limited. First-person, as you might guess, is when the story is told from the perspective of a character within the story, often using I or we. Then, we have third-person omniscient. This is the all-knowing narrator who can reveal thoughts, feelings, and insights of any character at any time. Lastly, there's third-person limited, a more focused lens, where the narrator only knows the thoughts and feelings of a single character, often the protagonist. Each type of point of view brings its own strengths and limitations to a narrative, influencing how a story unfolds. Let's delve deeper into third-person omniscient and third-person limited points of view. You, as the narrator, know everything about all characters, their thoughts, feelings, and secrets. It's like being a psychic. You have unlimited knowledge. That's third-person omniscient. This can be a powerful tool, allowing for a broad narrative scope and letting readers into the minds of all characters. But be cautious. It can also confuse your readers if not handled skillfully. Hence, we always encourage writers to show a scene through the senses of a single character in any given moment. Head-hopping or shifting the narrative perspective to another character within the same scene can be disorienting to the reader. On the other hand, third-person limited is like wearing a GoPro camera on just one character. You only know what this character knows, sees, and feels. It's more focused, creating a close connection between readers and that character, but it limits the overall scope of the story. Choosing the right point of view and sticking to it can make your story come alive, resonating with your readers on a deeper level. Let's conclude. We presented the unique perspectives offered by different points of view and discussed their strengths and weaknesses. What is your favorite narrative perspective? Let us know in the comments. If you see value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. This will allow us to continue to bring you more insights into the art of storytelling. Until our paths cross again in the next video, keep on writing.